Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So if you are new to this channel, then do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to get Gemini Advanced for free. So how to get Gemini Advanced for free. So if you're a fan of AI, or you're a person who loves using AI, then I'll advise you to use Gemini, because Gemini is the best AI as compared to ChatGPT. So if you want to use AI for research works and a lot, then I'll advise you to use Gemini. So first of all, for Gemini, all you need is a Google account, and I'm sure all of you have a Google account. So all of you have a Google account. So just open the Gemini website, gemini.google.com, and tap on the chat with Gemini. So you have to scroll down and you have to agree. Continue. Okay, so realizing here, so this we are now signed up. So now the process is you just have to tap in here. Okay, tap in here. Realizing here there is a new account. Okay, so tap on the realizing here the Gemini, tap on the Gemini, the arrow down there, and select the upgrade tab. So the Gemini Advanced, set the upgrade tab. So when you set the upgrade tab, Google is giving its users 2 months trial. 2 months trial, and this is one of the best offers to provide your users. So we'll be making taking advantage of this 2 months trial and at least enjoy some premium version, that's the Gemini Advanced. So you're right in here, get Gemini Advanced and more with a Google One AI premium plan for 2 months. So I'll be paying zero Ghana cedis for 2 months. So in here, right in here, these are the features that the Gemini Advanced comes with. So you just have to tap on the start trial. You tap on the agree. And you add your debit card. So in here you have to add your debit card. Or if not, you have to add your debit card. Okay, or if not, Google will provide some other versions for you. Let's say if you have logged onto your account on maybe an Android phone, there will be another option for you here to make payment on your mobile phone. There will be another option for you in here to make payment on your mobile phone. So you just have to add the credit card, and that's it. Your subscription will be done. But please make sure to maybe if you want to cancel the subscription before the date of deduction comes, else you deducted the amount from your account. So after you have subscribed to the free trials, you just have to create a reminder for yourself so that you'll be saved. So this is an account that I have. So this is an advanced account that I have. So you're right in here, I have an advanced account, Gemini, and this is a Gemini Advanced. So as I said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you love this video, and see you on the other side. Okay.